Tesla is investigating the possibility of building its own lithium hydroxide refining plant. The plan calls for the facility to be located somewhere on the Gulf Coast of Texas. Today, Elon Musk and Texas Governor Greg Abbott broke ground on Tesla Lithium Refinery. Tesla broke ground on a lithium refinery it plans to build in Corpus Christi, Texas, with CEO Elon Musk joined by Governor Greg Abbott on Monday for the ceremony. Tesla plans to invest $375 million to build the facility according to filings with the Texas Comptroller. Tesla could start building the refinery in the fourth quarter of 2022 if its application is approved by the state of Texas. Full-scale lithium production would take 2 years. Is this a good thing for Tesla? Is this a good thing for Texas? What does it mean for the economy? And what does it mean about the future of the United States? But before we get into all of that, please press the like button and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. And, before we continue, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is InnerLife.com, creator of the InnerLife STS system. InnerLife STS is a cloud mobile platform for mental health care and its integration with primary medical care. InnerLife STS is designed for assessment, data collection and analytics, documentation, and progress tracking. InnerLife STS creates and composes conceptualized narratives and builds them into professional-grade reports. These reports are designed for use by mental health professionals, primary care physicians, justice system professionals and universities, and include mental health assessment reports, mental health treatment reports, and treatment progress reports. And InnerLife STS uses doctor-selected pseudonames for all patients. So, only the healthcare professional knows the patient identity. Tesla CEO Elon Musk joined Texas Governor Greg Abbott to break ground at the site of the electric vehicle maker's new lithium refinery in Corpus Christi on Monday. Tesla plans to invest $375 million to build the facility on the Gulf Coast that will help it secure a domestic supply of lithium hydroxide, a key ingredient used to make batteries for its electric vehicles, and its home and utility-scale batteries. Musk said that Tesla is aiming to produce enough battery-grade lithium at the refinery to manufacture 1 million vehicles per year, and to produce more lithium than the rest of North America's refining capacity combined there. Mining company Albemarle announced plans to invest $1.3 billion in a new lithium processing facility in South Carolina in March. Tesla specifically plans to construct a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility, and other facilities to support other types of battery materials processing, refining and manufacturing and ancillary manufacturing operations in support of Tesla's sustainable product line. The company promised in its filings that the process Tesla will use is innovative and designed to consume less hazardous reagents and create usable byproducts compared to the conventional process. On Monday, Musk claimed, "There's no toxic emissions or anything, you could live right in the middle." Tesla's battery raw material and recycling leader, Turner Caldwell, said at the event that the company would find beneficial use opportunities for the byproduct of its lithium, which they expect to be mostly sand and limestone. Typically, refining ore into battery-grade lithium requires an industrial process that includes crushing raw material, heating it at a high temperature, and mixing it in a slurry with acids. One of the acids used in lithium processing typically is hydrochloric acid, which is a hazardous air pollutant under the U.S. Clean Air Act. Caldwell and Musk did not disclose the specific chemistry the company would rely upon for processing. Last year in April, Musk said Tesla may need to get into lithium refining because the cost of the metal had gone to insane levels. Lithium prices have significantly declined since he made those remarks. However, China still controls more than half of the world's lithium processing and refining capacity, while the U.S. has recently controlled just 1%. Musk said the availability of battery-grade lithium was a fundamental choke point for the electric vehicle industry and others. Governor Abbott, a Republican, praised Elon Musk as the greatest entrepreneur on earth. Texas wants to be able to be self-reliant, not dependent upon any foreign hostile nation for what we need, he said. Electric car giant Tesla is looking into the feasibility of a lithium hydroxide refining on the Texas Gulf Coast. This refinery would be the first of its kind in North America, said a Tesla spokesperson. The refining plant would process raw ore material into a usable state for battery production, said Tesla. Lithium hydroxide for electric car batteries would be the end product of the refining plant. The resulting lithium hydroxide product would be sent to Tesla battery manufacturing plants worldwide. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk said, We may need to get into lithium refining because the cost of the metal had gone to insane levels. The price of lithium rose 120% in 2022 alone, according to industry tracking Publicaton benchmark Mineral Intelligence. Tesla does not want its supply of its lithium and battery production to be held hostage, said Musk. Right now, over half of the lithium in the world comes from China. Only 1% of all lithium in the world comes from the United States. Tesla is also considering processing and refining various other metals at the same facility, according to the Texas Comptroller's Office. If approved, construction could start later this year. But, only very early development activities have been completed so far. So far, no regulatory permits have been requested, Tesla said. Engineering, purchasing, and construction activities or other related contracts have not been signed or even negotiated yet. The refining plant could be located anywhere with access to the Gulf Coast shipping channel. Musk said. As it usually does, Tesla is asking for tax breaks from the state of Texas as a condition of locating the plant in the state. In the case of the investment on this proposed project in Texas, the decision will be based on a number of commercial and financial considerations, including the ability to obtain relief regarding local property taxes, according to the application. Lithium is essential for batteries that power electric cars, smartphones, and many other consumer products. Lithium refining is the process of purifying raw lithium ore into a high-purity lithium product that can be used in various applications, such as batteries, ceramics, glass, and pharmaceuticals. The primary source of lithium is found in brines and hard rock minerals. Lithium can be extracted from these sources using various methods, but the most common method is through a process called solar evaporation. In this process, brine is pumped from underground into large evaporation ponds. The brine is then left to evaporate naturally in the sun, leaving behind a concentrated lithium solution. This concentrated solution is then further processed to remove impurities and extract lithium carbonate or lithium hydroxide. For hard rock minerals, the process involves crushing the ore and then heating it to high temperatures in a furnace. This process removes impurities and produces a lithium concentrate, which is then further processed to extract lithium carbonate or lithium hydroxide. Once the lithium carbonate or hydroxide has been extracted, it is further purified to remove any remaining impurities. The final product is a high-purity lithium that is ready for use in various applications. Overall, lithium refining is a complex process that requires specialized equipment and expertise. However, with the growing demand for lithium in various industries, the refining process has become increasingly important in ensuring a stable supply of high-quality lithium products. Lithium is found in various parts of the world, with the majority of global lithium production concentrated in a few countries. The largest lithium reserves and production are currently located in Chile. Chile has the largest lithium reserves in the world and is the largest producer, accounting for around 50% of global production. The country's lithium reserves are primarily located in the Atacama Salt Flats in the northern region of the country. Australia. Australia is the second largest lithium producer and has significant reserves, primarily located in Western Australia. The country is home to several large lithium mines and is expected to increase production in the coming years. Argentina. Argentina has the third largest lithium reserves in the world, mainly located in the Salinas Grandes and Hombre Muerto salt flats in the northwest of the country. The country has been ramping up production in recent years, becoming the third largest producer globally. China. China is the fourth largest lithium producer, with its primary sources of lithium coming from brines in Tibet and Qinghai provinces. The country is also the largest consumer of lithium, driven by its rapidly growing electric vehicle market. Canada. Canada has significant lithium resources, primarily in Quebec and Ontario. The country is home to several promising lithium projects, and there has been increasing interest in developing its lithium resources in recent years. Other countries with significant lithium resources include the United States, Mexico, Brazil, and Zimbabwe. Tesla, as a leading electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer, has a strong interest in securing a stable and reliable supply of high-quality lithium for its batteries. Lithium is a critical component of the lithium-ion batteries used in EVs, and a shortage of lithium or other raw materials could limit the production of EVs and increase their costs. By investing in a lithium refinery, Tesla aims to reduce its dependence on third-party suppliers for lithium, which can be subject to supply chain disruptions, price fluctuations, and quality issues. Building its own refinery would allow Tesla to have greater control over the supply chain and ensure a consistent supply of high-quality lithium at a competitive price. Additionally, a lithium refinery would provide Tesla with greater flexibility in developing new battery chemistries and improving the performance of its batteries. Refining its own lithium could also help Tesla reduce its environmental footprint by using renewable energy sources to power the refining process and reducing transportation emissions associated with importing lithium from overseas. Overall, building a lithium refinery would allow Tesla to secure its supply of lithium and improve the sustainability of its battery supply chain, ultimately supporting the company's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation. Given the recent geopolitical tensions, key materials and technologies have become highly strategic. The U.S. government aims to catch up and surpass China in the mining and refining industry for rare earth materials. Tesla is not the only car maker whose future lies with electric vehicles. General Motors CEO Mary Barra has announced that the company will transition to an all-electric product line. Starting in the fall of 2023, the transition begins in earnest with the all-electric Chevrolet Equinox EV. By 2035, all General Motors vehicles will be electric. We can absolutely catch and surpass industry leader Tesla in U.S. sales of electric vehicles by 2025, said CEO Mary Barra. Those plans include more than 1 million units of EV production capacity in China and North America, each, by that time, Barra also noted. The $30,000 entry price of the Equinox EV compares to $66,000 for the Tesla Model Y. Rival Ford Motor Company has also announced its intention to convert its entire product line to electric vehicles. Ford already sells the F-150 Lightning pickup truck. But, what do you think? Please leave a comment below and press the like button. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.